Juan in Madrid, Spain, writes to me. He says, "Hey, Paul, I am now rebuilding my apartment, and I want to get the power right." Good job. I found an audiophile circuit breaker, a differential switch, an in-wall power cable, which together are really a lot of money. My budget is limited, so if I spend my money on these items, I'll have to postpone the expenses in the power cables from the wall outlet to the equipment and the power regenerator that I plan to buy. Is it worthy to spend money in this gear, or should I go directly to the power cables and the regenerator? That's a great question, and I always have to qualify this stuff. So one of my long-held beliefs that I will stick to till the day they plant me 6 feet under, and that is AC power is the fundamental foundation for everything that we do. Everything in this room is really modulating the power out of the wall. It all starts at the power out of the wall. So the quality of that power has everything to do with how the sound is going to come through here. So building a great solid foundation of AC power is really important. For example, in this room, in every room that we have, we do all dedicated lines. And that means that there is a separate home run, a internal in the wall power cable that runs all the way back to its own circuit breaker for every single outlet in the room. And that makes a star, so that at the circuit box where all the circuit breakers are, there's nothing to interfere. We don't share power on the same line with other equipment. And that's really important, and it matters greatly. And we use, of course, our AC power regenerators on every single product that we have, because it all matters. Now, that said, if I were you, I would not spend my money on adding high-end AC wiring, circuit breakers. To me, that if you were doing a gazillion-dollar stereo, okay, maybe that'll make you feel better. Honestly, we use 10 gauge, which is just slightly illegal. Should be 12 because we're using 15 amp outlets. Thicker the wire, the better, but we use standard Romex. And as long as you're going through a regenerator, which you're planning on doing, it really doesn't matter. So for me, for my money, I would do standard wiring in your house, make it as thick as you can manage, use good receptacles. You could use our power port receptacle, or just get a really good receptacle. Do home runs so that every duplex, or I guess you're in Europe, so you only have single plex. But each one of those has its own wire going back to a standard circuit breaker. I think we got ours at Home Depot. They're all 20 amp breakers. There's nothing special about them. Because I don't think in most systems you're going to hear that much of a difference, if any. I certainly didn't, and I didn't invest any of our money in that. So yes, AC power as a foundation is extremely important. No, especially if you're on a budget, and who isn't? Don't go putting all that exotic stuff in there. Seriously, you'll thank me. Okay, take it easy. Talk to you tomorrow.